This tool I'm using here is the light sensor. It measures the intensity of light. It was engaging in that the students could use as many materials they could to test the light intensity. It was engaging both for those students testing the light and for those looking at the charts while they tested the light. It was effective in that it could be used in a lesson to effectively teach light intensity and to show students tangibly what light intensity, what's happening, and the intensity of different objects. And it was efficient in that you could have multiple experiments going on at once, especially if you had several light sensors and you had different groups of students working on them. You could have several different experiments going on at once. This is the light sensor. It was engaging for all students, whether they were conducting the experiment themselves or watching the chart on the laptop. It was effective in that it could show the speed and velocity for each object, and it was efficient because you could have multiple students experimenting at once in different groups. This is the Solar Walk app. It was very engaging for students because they could explore and manipulate different objects in space, and they could see firsthand what was going on. And it was also very effective because they could see things that they wouldn't be able to normally do inside the classroom. Lastly, this is the Human Anatomy app. It was very effective in teaching different organs of the body and different systems of the body. However, it wasn't very engaging for students because they weren't really able to explore so much. They were just able to look at the labels and see what different parts of the body were labeled as, but they weren't really able to explore and understand how the body works or the different systems and organs inside the human body.